Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then click on Extension section under Location. After that, select Dual App and tap on Install next to one of the available ones, in my case Facebook. In order to continue, select Install in the pop-up and wait. Now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to get rid of your cloned app, you can hold it and drag it to Delete section, or just access the same dual app settings and tap on Uninstall next to it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!